Meaning of John of Gaunt.
John of Gaunt.
John of Gaunt.
John of Gaunt.
John of Gaunt. John of Gaunt was the nickname of John Plantagenet, the third surviving son of Edward III of England. He was so named because he was born in the city of Ghent, spelled Gaunt in Middle English, in what is now modern-day Belgium, during his father's military campaigns in Europe. John of Gaunt was a prominent figure in English politics during the 14th century and was known for his military prowess, as well as his patronage of the arts and literature. He was also the father of King Henry IV of England.